So here's an Amazon purchase guitar hangers. The brand is ClefArc, and here's what we have in the box: the hardware. So these are the two guitar hangers that you can hang on, that you can screw on your wall, and it did came with six guitar picks and a guitar pick holder as well, which is really cool. And it has a guide, so if you need to attach it to the wall, you have the pilot sticker, so you can just should make sure you have it, the holes right in the wall. And then here's my guitar, one of my guitars, and it does fit well, and it is sturdy and it should hold well.